Now I'm going to show you how to create a TokenPocket wallet. So we're going to tap on Create Now, and then we're going to pick what we want to create. In this case, it's Tron. We're going to tap on Create Wallet, and I'm just going to rename it Test. And then we can set a password. I'll just use the same one I did before. You can add a hint if in case you need that. I'm not going to bother. And then, oh, sorry. I missed that. Apparently my fingers don't want to work. There we go. Create wallet. Okay. And again, they're telling you not to share your words. Once you have your words written down, you will tap on completed backup, and now it's going to ask you to re-enter all of the words. So we'll just re-enter them in the order we wrote them down. Again, this is the importance of writing it down on pen and paper, is you will need it immediately after. And also, again, I would like to remind you that this wallet will be deleted afterwards because, excuse me, oops, wrong word. So yes, this wallet will be deleted afterwards as it I have given away the seed phrase. And so here you can see you could create other wallets for other coins. This is a multi-coin wallet. In order to create, you would have separate seed phrases for each wallet.